Hi there, it's Melanie Alexander here from Singarama.com. Did you know that anyone can learn how to sing well? Yes, that's anyone. That's because the muscles in your voice are just like any other muscle in your body. They can be trained and improved. All those great singers you see out there are a lot like athletes who have trained their body to peak condition using certain exercises to get them there. Well, you too can train your voice to sing beautifully. You don't need talent, experience, or luck. You just need the right guidance and commitment to the exercises. Unlike training your muscles at the gym, you don't need weeks or months to see results. In some cases, you can see results in under a week. I know this because I'm a singer myself and have seen incredible and fast results by using the correct techniques. If you want to sing with effortless strength, a beautiful tone, and perfect pitch, if you would like to sing those high notes with ease and without strain, and have a smooth, well-connected voice with no break between your chest and head voice, as well as increase your singing range by at least an octave, then I have a free gift for you that you can access right now to get you there. I want to give you a completely free 5-part mini course for you to get singing like a pro in no time. There's no credit card needed and no strings attached. I hope you enjoy it, and I would love to hear your feedback on how it's helped you. Just click on the link below and best of luck. And remember that tomorrow's victory is today's practice.